Hi there! Today I want to introduce you to GlassWire. GlassWire is a modern personal firewall and networking monitor software. There are different versions. One is the free download, the other ones are purchasable products that add a few features, a longer history of the traffic, more remote connections and usage for multiple users. But first of all, let's download the free version to see what GlassWire actually comes up with. To do so, choose any web browser and visit the GlassWire homepage. You can find a link in the description. The download will start immediately after you click on the download button. Right now, Windows and Android are supported, but a Mac version is on its way. Whilst downloading, we can inspect some of GlassWire's features on the website. GlassWire is a software that in a graphical way shows you to which devices your PC is talking to and what it connected to in the past. It detects and blocks spyware and malware, warns you of unusual usage and changes, and monitors other devices connected to your network. All of those mentioned features are even collected in a more detailed way right here on the Features tab. But this might become too theoretical and we wanted to see GlassWire working. Create an account and place your specific questions right here or search for the answers that might exist already. Long story short, let us start with the installation. The installation process is very straightforward. Double-click on the executable setup file. Click Next. You need to accept the license agreement. Then you can choose if you want to run GlassWire after booting. You can check or uncheck for those shortcuts, and especially you can choose to do a clean install, which removes all data of a past installation of GlassWire. Click Next. Select a destination folder and in the last step, click Install and the awaited installation bar appears. You may click on Details. The installation successfully completed and you may now run GlassWire the first time. Now GlassWire is running. You can see first alerts. Those are apps which use the network. The timeline shows you when there has been network traffic. You can see which apps caused this traffic. Here, GlassWire sums up the data usage for each app. You can see the network devices and the firm firewall settings. These are the apps that build a network connection. You can select longer time spaces to, for example, search for an inflict in the past. In the left corner you can find the options. For example, you may change the selected language or the skin for this program. Under Settings you will find more detailed options which you may unlock by purchasing GlassWire. You can stop the timeline anytime by clicking somewhere. This will not stop the network monitoring, but gives you the time needed to inspect several points. GlassWire runs in the background and notifies you if it detects something new or unusual. It appears as a small icon in the tray. By right-clicking onto it, you get all the options seen before. Let us start an app like Firefox, which obviously uses the network, and see what GlassWire spots. It detects some network usage of Firefox and Firefox is listed as awaited. Now that you have seen GlassWire running and working, I thank you for watching this video. As mentioned before, there is a link to the GlassWire website in the description down below. Goodbye and see you next time.